The King of Mugithi Samido nĩ akorete haceke na thirikari. Samido akoragwo mũthigari na thaa ici tour yake ya mũgithi kũrĩa UK na US. Before athiĩte kũu nĩ gwakoretwo na kaũndũ ga siasa gakoretwo gakĩhappen harĩa gatagatĩ ka aini a Mount Kenya na thirikari, and nĩ tuonire Samido apostite post yakorirwo ĩkĩmakia andũ na njĩra ĩmwe na mũno, akiuga mũtũrĩre wake wĩ hatĩka-inĩ. The following day early in the morning tukiona aini a Mount Kenya me kũrĩa official residence of the Deputy President Kithure Kindiki, na hau Samido agĩkorwo agĩconfirm atĩ nĩ two term. After that nĩ akorirwo agĩface very harsh crowds. Athi mũgithi agakora andũ makĩmwĩra one term, and he was forced to say one term. And his tour in UK and US began. Athi kũu UK na US mtindo ilikuwa ule kũrĩa UK dronaga akĩina mũgithi nginya he handũ aroragia andũ kana marenda hakurwo, but it was that serious. Andũ makĩmwĩra one term and he had to say one term. And now it seems that maũndũ maya nĩ makoretwo me very unbearable to the Kenya police. Samido has become very unmanageable. Na muthenya wa muthenya turekire gukorwo tukiona marua makorwo makirekererio makionania Samido rutha ruria ahetwo, na marua maya makoretwo makirekererio ni anti stock theft unit, na maronania Samido ahetwo thikũ 10 ena thikũ 10 atakoretwo aripotete wira. And now ni wira ũrĩa mwerũ arakorirwo akiheo kũrĩa akihurwo transfer to anti stock theft unit na aratwarwo kũrĩa Baringo. And Samido is still in the US. Na thaa ici kũratuĩka atĩ Samido akĩland Kenya nĩ egũkorwo akĩnyitwo. From Stockpol, Gilgil. Subject: desertion from the National Police Service. Please be informed that Samuel Dirago Mushoki of Anti-Stock Theft Unit Company is on the above subject. The officer was granted an off-duty and was supposed to report back on 27th of May 2025, but he failed. Since then, he has not been seen or his whereabouts is not known. Efforts to trace him have been futile. He has now absented himself without a leave for a period of more than 10 days, and he is hereby declared a deserter. 6th of June 2025. Pay section: stop his salary with immediate effect. Stockpol: take the necessary action and act accordingly. Nairobi: circulate in the next issue of the National Police Gazette. Stockpol Gatumbo kindly visit his home and if traced, arrest him and inform this and for necessary action. His home particulars are as follows. This is what is being said. Korea US na Samido akoretwo agikira post iria cironania clearly there is something. Nĩ arakorwo agikira mbica ahũrĩtwo hau na poster ya George Floyd. Free George Floyd. Na kile arakorwo akiandika hau ilikuwa inaonyesha manze there is clearly something that Samido is trying to pass. There is a message that he is trying to pass. Maũndũ maya mothe makorwo makihanika between time ino Samido akorwo akiuga ati mũtũrĩre wake wĩ hatĩka-inĩ na time ino akorwo akĩina one term UK. Could this be politically motivated? Kana there is something going on that we don't know. Though of course Samido ni akoretwo agithie migithi I think every second half of the year. Ona this time ni athie tene athia ko September no ginya athie tour ya nako UK US maybe arekereria kuria kwa Arafu Qatar Dubai acoke Kenya, na all that time amekuwa polisi na nimekoretwo makimenya ni akoragwo akiina na ni muini wa mugithi na iyo niyo shughuli ria athiete ku, and so clearly telling him that ni egũkorwo akinyitwo tondu ndakoretwo wira na even this time athi a very short time. There is a time athire ona mieri 2 hindi ria kwari na drama cia Urban Saroni, hindi ria kwari na madrama kuria Karen Nyamu agithie kuria Dubai. That time he did a very long tour na ari muthigari bado. Why is it that this time it is a problem? Ati 10 days dakoretwo wira. At this time when kwina uhoro wa Albert Ojwang, forithi gukorwo makirehe uhoro uyu, I see this as a total diversion tactic on the main issue that is happening right now. or the issue that Kenyans are focusing on right now ya gukorwo tukimenya Albert Ojwang, what really happened. Ndiyo mawoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. You can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story. In the meantime, no wirore some of those chants cia one term cia Samido iria probably cingĩkorwo nĩcio ciratũma Samido akorwo akĩagagio in this way.
Nyumba yangu Binai, nyumba yangu Binai, Gikuyu Nai. Ati mnasemaje? So Northampton declaration. Ati mnasemaje? YouTube.